friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng octopus stir fry in Sprite. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 kilo na octopus, 1 tablespoon na butter, meron tayong spring onion, meron tayong 1 piece na bell pepper, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, meron tayo ditong ginger, 2 pirasong calamansi, 1 kamatis, and of course, gagamit tayo ng cooking oil, 237 ml na Sprite, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay, ka-friendship, ang una natin gagawin ay hihiwain natin itong ating octopus. So, nalinis ko na siya, ka-friendship. Hiwain na lang natin bago natin siya i-stir fry. Okay, ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Friendship, ang next natin na gagawin sa isang preheated pan ay maglalagay tayo ng ating butter. Ayan. I-melt lang natin siya, ka-friendship. And then, idagdag natin yung ating garlic. Ang ating luya. Ang ating sibuyas. Ang ating kamatis. Saka yung ating bell pepper. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating octopus. Ayan, ka-friendship, iniwa ko na siya. Ayan, and then, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng konting salt. Ayan, ka-friendship. Ayan lang muna. Saka yung ating pepper. So, ayan, i-stir fry na lang muna natin sa dyan, ka-friendship, ng at least 5 minutes. Okay, balikan natin siya later. Ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating Sprite. So, ayan, ka-friendship. So, ayan, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan, ka-friendship, hanggang sa mag-evaporate yung ating Sprite or until maluto yung ating octopus. Okay, so balikan natin siya later. Friendship, luto na yung ating octopus. So, what we're going to do next is magdagdag tayo ng oyster sauce na nakalimutan kong i-mention kanina. So, ayan, hindi ko na hinayaang completely evaporate yung Sprite kasi gusto ng mga anak ko may sabaw yung ulam nila. So, ayan. And then, check natin ang saltiness, kung okay na. So, ayan, okay na siya, ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our stir-fry na octopus in Sprite. So, ayan, ka-friendship. magdagdag tayo ng spring onion. Half a portion lang muna. So, ayan. Ready na ang ating octopus stir fry in Sprite. Ready for serving na siya, ka-friendship. Ito na po yung ating finished product. Ang ating stir fry octopus in Sprite. Okay, so i-garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Ayan. So, ayan na siya, ka-friendship. Okay, ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating octopus stir fry in Sprite for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Totamira at your service. Always remember, from everyone there's a scar, and every scar tells a story. A story that says, I survived. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.